Hello, people. Welcome. Let's take these off. Friday, weekend, Friday, more. What a week it was. Just after Christmas and New Year, starting off working again with a bang. A lot of stuff to do. Hi, Julian Father. Welcome. Uh, so yeah, this is like an emergency. Well, not an emergency, but a quickie. Let's call it a quickie. Reason is, well, multiple reasons. I've been having so much fun coding the last few days, uh, and yeah, I know I'm a noob. I'm just starting. I know it's not really coding yet or whatever. I'm not a pro, but whatever I'm doing, I'm having so much fun doing it, and I've been doing stuff on the side, outside of the streams, and one, I don't want you guys to miss out on all the stuff that I'm doing, so I want to show you updates as I go. Uh, Two, soon we're affiliate. Yes, we have 6 streams behind our back now. We did 6 good long streams. We started off on the 11th. Let's see which days did we do it. Let's see. We started off on the 11th. So let's see, where's my content? There it is. Yes, we started off December 11th. Then next week, December 18th, we had a stream. December 25th, we had a stream. That was our first stream of the episode 3 series where we got help from ChatGPT. Then we had a stream on December 28th, so that was 2 or 3 days, well, 3-4 days after our stream on that Sunday. Then we had a stream on 31 December, part 3 of the Noob Coder Needs Help, episode 3. And then we had a stream, which was pretty fucked up, on January 1. So we had the New Year stream there. Reason it was fucked up is because we dropped out like 2 times, so we started up 2 times. That's why we have a part 4.1, 4.2, and a 4.3. But we did 6 streams, and today it's January 6th, and we're doing episode 4. I started off as a Noob Coder is Blossoming, but no, we're gonna call it Affiliate with Cream. Anyone? Because from what I can see from my achievements panel in Twitch is that we've streamed enough. We have enough followers, 71 to be, well, 70. It's now 70, but it was 71. We streamed for 13,55 hours instead of the 8 they wanted. We've had 8.78 people instead of the 3 people that were watching us. We're talking about a median number. By the way, 8.78 people. Someone lost an arm or a head or something. Whatever. And we have 6 of the 7 days that you need to stream for 7 different days. So that's why today is number 7. Reason I wanted to do it today, by the way, is there's some reasons for this. Like my first stream was on December 11th, and you need to do this in 1 month. And as I'm seeing now, it's looking at my what I did in the past month, and as of today, it's showing December 8th. So December 8th until January 1st, 6th. So if I would have done this stream on Sunday, and it sometimes can take a few days to update. If I would have done this on Sunday, we would have reached 9/10, December 10th. And then if you have 3 days to update this achievement panel, we'd be at December 13th. and it would probably say to me that it's still 6 days. So to prevent this, I decided to do a stream today, get that 7th out of the way, and we're good to go. Golden. Beautiful. Now, that's all about Twitch. Twitch has been doing weird stuff the last few days. I'm sure they're fixing it right now. So if by any chance we drop, and I don't hope that we will, but if by any chance we drop, apologies now already to you from me. I can do anything about it. So let's continue. I'm going to share my screen with you because I've been doing some stuff. All right. So a few streams ago, we started off coding a little bit. We did the ChatGPT part, but slowly we started moving away from ChatGPT, or moving away from the full-time ChatGPT part. Yes, we are still asking ChatGPT for, certain codes that we can use in our stream, that we can use in our coding endeavor. But we're using ChatGPT as some kind of resource, like a W3 Schools, like HTML.com, whatever. So we're using ChatGPT as a resource, as a book, not anymore trusting 100% of what it says. In fact, whatever it says, just taking it and changing it according to our wishes. Like font size 20 pixel. No, I want it XX large, bitches. So I change it to XX large, whatever. So I'm taking this code that it's giving me, that it's putting out, and I'm just changing it according to my wishes. Also, a few days ago, I think it was 3 days ago, I'm not sure. We had a small stream, but not on Twitch, on Discord with my good friend Tolga Hackdonalds. And what we did was we started looking into the code that I'm writing here, and we started looking into some stuff, and we found some nice codes, nice functions, nice stuff that we could integrate into our code. Now, you know this code, but if you look closely, you will see that some things did change in it. Some major things changed in it. I'm going to close some screens because we're not using About Me, we're not using About Stream, we're not using the contact page, so that's all okay. But we are using style CSS, so now we have these both here. But so we did a lot of things, and I'm gonna scroll up again and try to find what we did differently, and we just passed it. I'll show you what we did. So we have our HTML. We were writing some stuff. I was also adding some stuff myself, like I was looking at how long text would react if you have like a span element. What will it do? How will it look? Etc. We had a look with Tolga, by the way, at our body, because our body was a bit outside of the screen. Let's stop this. It was a bit outside of the screen, but we got that fixed. It's now all inside of the screen, so it's not bleeding out underneath the scroll bar. But so yeah, what we did with Tolga was we found a nice little piece of code, a nice little piece of function to snap onto certain sections. It's this little thing here. Hold on, where are you? Where are you? The scroller thing, and also a part of the code is here. So what it does, it snap aligns. I'm not going to scroll a lot, just a little bit. You can see it snap aligns to that specific section. So we chose you have to add the article, the class scroller outside of whatever you want to snap onto. So that's why you have first article, then you have the section. Oh, by the way, for people that also uh, noticed this, what we had before was we had a div with a class section. We changed that to a section. I didn't know about this. I presumably, as you can see, there is such thing as a section. So we changed that to that, and now it looks a lot more beautiful. It's called semantics. I'm learning new stuff. But so yeah, we added the scroller, the article class scroller, well, the article class scroller around the sections, and we added it like to the whole part. As you can see, it goes down to here. In fact, what I could do is also add this. Sorry, let's just do that. Let's add it outside of our hidden sections as well, because we're gonna use those in the future as well. Here's an example of what I did before. It was a div class section, ID was section 5, ID section 6, section 7, but we changed that. We immediately made a section out of it. But so yeah, I added the article to the outside because we're going to use those in the future as well. Let's save that. And is it still working? It's still working. Beautiful. So yeah, I did that. Uh, Today we're going to look at some more stuff, maybe even change some other stuff. What I also did, and I've been doing this on the side, I wanted to make an interactive CV, an interactive way of showing what I did in the past, my experiences, etc. So what I did, I hid that in testing grounds right here. there's no there's no menu, navigation button, nothing. It's in here. It's a work in progress, but this is practically what I'm trying to do. Like make a background page to talk about what my work background is. And the way I did this, by the way, because when you link it, it just turns blue and it puts an underscore underneath it. Uh, this I've also newly learned. You can put your style inside your head, of course. You can put your style CSS file in the head, but you can also place it. Let's where was it? Oh, I closed it. Yeah, I closed it. Hold on. Let's open it again. Where are you? PP testing. PP testing. So here, as you can see, you can also add this code right into your piece of HTML code. I'm starting off with, H1 header, enter password, and normally it immediately connects these double dots, whatever that's called. Hold on, what's that called? What is called? Period. No, thank you. Question mark, comma, semicolon, colon. Sorry, yeah, colon. So normally it adds this colon right behind the enter password when you're writing whatever. You're linking it. Well, you're not linking it. It's just writing enter password and the colon, and it's all black. But once you start linking it, what it does is, if you're naming it this, because this is the name of this href, of this anchor href, it turns that into the link button, turns it blue. Oh fuck! Why? Hold on. Let's do this. Let's just go ahead and do this. Will it even? No, it's not. Okay. This is how it looks. All right. This is how it normally looks. It's not a button. Now let's go back, delete this, save it quickly, and now we're going to remove the style, save it. This is how it will look if you make a link out of it. So blue, but this is extremely obvious. I don't want it to stick out like that in that page. So that's why I added the style right inside of my anchor, which you can do. Then you can style that specific anchor. And I didn't know this, and now I know this, and now I like it. I love it. So yeah, that's what I've learned. That was nice. Well, a few things we've learned we did, but now let's start off working on wherever we left off. Now, this is all going nice. I'm having like I have these sections and they look nice. Maybe let's add some more sections to it, just for shits and giggles. All right, let's just name these properly first. Jip. And then this one is section. All right, beautiful. Now, let's copy and paste this. Just, YOLO, fuck it. Just do it. We're going to change the numbers in a minute. I want to have it piece or 10, just for, because it's necessary. 8, 9, and 10. So now we have a few of our sections. Let's remove 2 out of them. No, I want to remove 4. Reason is, reason is, the way I'm doing it now, the way I'm designing it, I have like section 1, which is this part, the top part. It's written here. I don't know if I'm going to keep on using this in the future, but I'm going to do something. So the top part will remain like this. And then you get section 2. And here you have section 3, which I want to keep like that. So below section 2, you have an empty space, which if you're in this part, you don't see it that much. But if you're in the big screen, you don't see it that much. But it's there. In the smaller screens, you see it a lot better. As you can see, there's this big gap, which is section 2, section 3. Oh, I'm hiding it. Oh, I've already hit it. Oh. That's not nice, in it? Let's just rescue you. No, go. I don't want you. Section 3. Oh yeah, now you have the big boy. But yeah, this is also bad, by the way, because now we have this gap, which I don't want. I need to do something about this. I need to change this to section 3, and the rest can stay the same, I think. Let's just look. Yeah. Let's delete you. Let's make this beautiful. Let's call you section 3. Let's go to our style CSS sheet. Now let's go to section 4. Change this to section 3. Save it. And we've... Oh, because this one... Yeah, this one. Okay. Go. And now save it again. No, it's not working. Okay, what did I not do correctly? You're called section 3. Yeah, that's your ID. 1, 2, and 3. I know what's going wrong. I know exactly what I did wrong. I know exactly what I did wrong. It won't work if you don't save this. You need to continuously save whatever you're changing and doing. But this is good. We're learning from this. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to go to my style CSS. I'm going to copy these sections. How many sections that we have? Well, let's just first, for safety reasons, change these to the corresponding section numbers. Save this document. Let's go back. What did we open up? We opened up until 8. So then we can copy these 3. Yes. And then, oh no, you don't copy those 3. You copy these 2 because it needs to go from image 1 to image 2 to image 1 to image 2. Then you go copy, paste it again. 6, 7. Let's copy number 6 again because image 1, of course. And then let's call this number 8. And then save everything. Why aren't you moving to the front? Let's move you to the front. Hold on. Where are we? We are at this line. You move to the front. You move to the front. You move more to the front. You move also more to the front, and you also move more to the front. Okay, let's save it. Save it and make it look nice. Come on, be a good boy. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, caramba. It has to look somewhat nice, because if it doesn't look nice, I don't have OCD, but you know, every person has a healthy amount of OCD, I think, or should have a healthy amount of OCD. And my healthy amount of OCD does not permit me to make it look shitty. So that's why I want to now also make it look a little bit more nice. Oh, nice. Section 2. Okay, now this one needs to also move up, double up, double up for double up for 6. This is maybe a little bit of the work that is. Ah, no. We found a mistake. This is wrong. Because it goes from. Ah, damn you. Hold on. Let's check it. Image 1, image 2, image 1, image 2, image 1, image 2. Okay. Oh, because of the numbers? Probably because of the numbers. Yeah, probably. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Save it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 und 7. Aber da ist kein 7. Let's go and make one. Well, 8. I mean, let's call you 8. Now if everything is good, yeah, we have a last one there. Okay, this is good. Now we go into our style sheet again, because why? We need to start changing our pictures. We had image 1, image 2, image 3, and then we have an image 4, but we don't have more. And then we start off again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Better close the fucking door. Okay, beautiful. Yes. I am right. I'm almost always right. Ow, my finger. All right, beautiful. Now, which one are you? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a bit big. I would say. Okay, let's just look at it. Oh wow, yeah, I don't like this. Okay, what I have to do now is I'm going to okay, what we are going to do now is I'm going to leave this screen here for you to watch, and I'm going to open my coding screen down here so I also have a live view of what's going on. I won't be seeing the chat for a while, so Mimit, you're in charge. Okay, so what do we have now? This one is not being cut off anywhere. That looks good, somewhat. This one is being cut off, which we don't like. So we go to section 3. Let's make you a little bit smaller. Let's see what it does. Is it still being cut off? It's still being cut off. But now we can margin it to the top a little bit. Margin top 20 pixel. Well, let's just start off with 10 pixels. Oh darn you! Of course, I have a background position Y here. So let's just drop it to 0. Let's see what it does. Doesn't do shit. Let's just save our index HTML by the way as well, because you never know. Let's just say minus 50 pixels. Okay. Did it move? Did I just see it move? Let's check it again. Yeah, it's moving. Good. And we're almost there. Let's call it minus 130 pixels. Now I'm doing minus. Why? Because this is the background position. If you do plus pixels, it goes down, but we want it to go up. So that's why you say minus pixel. And now it should look somewhat, yeah, I need to crop it a little bit more. Background image size, let's call it 75 and let's call it a day. Is it? Yeah, we're calling it a day. Nice, good. But I do want to change the position X as well, by the way, because this looks margin left, auto, margin right. Yeah, this one. Let's call it minus 50. It's going. Minus 500? Too much. Hold on. What are you doing? Are you moving? Bastard. Oh, of course, I'm changing the whole margin. We don't want to change the whole margin. The margin has to remain the same. The background image position needs to change. So then we're saying background. I'm going to show you every change I made in a second. I'm sorry that I don't have the screen here because I need to see this browser screen in a big screen, and I don't have a second screen where I can put it for myself to view. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. Is anyone? What are you doing in my chat? If I time out my own moderators, will it do anything to their moderation thing? Minus 150 pixels. Let's try it. Nope. This one we want it to be a plus 250 pixels. There it's going. Okay, beautiful. A little bit more though. Let's say 400 pixels. Oh, that's 4,000. Stop. Okay, beautiful. Now, what I was doing is we changed the background position minus Y a little bit. So as you can see, the small screen just looks like shit. But so this picture started moving a bit more up, and then we changed the background position X. So this picture started moving a little bit more to the right. Now in the smaller version, in the small view, you can see it's a bit too much to the right, but we need to learn how to code this in such a way that the page becomes smaller on smaller screens but doesn't change its dimensions. I don't know yet how to do that, but there will come a day where I learn this, so please hold on tight. We're going to learn this. But so we changed the background size, we changed position X, and we changed position Y so that it fits right there where we want it. Now the only thing I'm having a problem with are these images. I want them to be a bit higher as well, but how are they looking here? But also, let's be honest, once I start filling up this part with text, in fact, let's make it bigger because I don't like how small it is. Let's see, hold on. Let's go up. Let's keep you the same for the time being, although, hold on, nah. Style is equal to, yeah, it was a good one. Shouldn't delete it. Am I doing this right, by the way? I don't want it to be bad. Let's see, where's my style? Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's go back. Let's remove this little thing here. Style. Yeah, I know, it contains a CSS reference. Font, size, XX large, font, weight, fat. And then first block element can stay like that, I don't care. Style. Start learning how to write. Oh, thank you. Thank you for adding that for me already. Font, size, X large. Nope. Font, weight. We don't need font weight. Beautiful. Okay, now let's copy this and let's start adding it into all of these. All of these. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then just save. Now we have bigger text, which is good. Now we're going to change that here as well. Bup, bup, and bup. And we're also going to do it here. Bup, bup, and bup. And then let's save it. Okay, it's bigger. Oh, by the way, for everyone who wants to know, this is the Dutch anthem, Wilhelmus. Just because it's a long text, I wanted to add it. It's just like plugging in the lorem ipsum here. It was just for shits and giggles and because I needed some text, long text. I like how big the text is right now. I'm fairly okay with that. I'm also thinking of making the nav buttons a bit bigger. I'm really thinking about that. Maybe just test. Just for, again, shits and giggles. Nope. Doesn't like it. It doesn't like it, sir. I shouldn't do this. Will be cancelled as fast as that soy milk latte that I'm talking about. All right. So good. Now we could add this here. What I did now was make a grid out of it, a grid element out of it. As you can see, we have 1L, we have 2L, we have 1R, we have 2R, and these stand for item 1 is the text part for if I want it on the left side of the screen, and it also tells you where it is on the screen. Like for instance here, the left on the if the text is on the left part, it's in grid column 1, so it's on the left side, and the background image, which is this one. I know it's not a background, but that's the way I found out. Well, that's how I found to do it. But for item 2 on the left side is in grid column 2, so grid column 1, grid column 2. So that's for this side, and for the other side we have, let's start there, item 1R is a background image. It's in grid column 1. And item 2R is a text field, and it's in column 2. So what we're having is a 1-2, 1-2 kind of staging effect. Although what I could have done is also, I could have done that as well. Hello? No. What I could have done was maybe instead of making 2, I could have made 3 columns. Would have been easier, I think. Whatever. I'm happy. I'm just going to keep it like this. Happy. Happy. What was this part again? Oh yeah, that's also for this. Alright. But now I'm thinking, as I said, maybe placing this one underneath the text part. In fact, let's just test that out. Am I doing? I need to search it. Sorry. Image search. Image. HTML. Why am I having problems with this right now? Ah, there it is. PNG logo. Loco. Is this good? That's good. Let's see. Yeah, but we want this, of course. We want this. We want this style. Align center. See if it understands what we're trying to achieve. It's not working. Did I write this correct? I did. I know I did. Maybe this is not something. Although, hold on. Let's just be honest and let's just do this. Okay, new chat. I want to add a style to an Oh, it adds the style to the other side. Okay, let's do that. Let's try that. Why not? Why not? Margin. No, not margin. Align. Center. Maybe that's not what we should do. Maybe we should margin left 100 pixel. See? What the fuck? Oh yeah, that's an easy fix though. Brr. Brr, brr, brr. I'm an 810. See? Now it's underneath it. Now we need to bring it a little bit more to the side. Brr, brr, brr. Margin left 500 pixels. It's beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it? Margin. Let's also add a margin top. Yeah? Margin top. 200 pixels. It's going a lot better than I was thinking. But that means we could also make the code a lot simpler. Like we could delete the grid, make this section smaller, and add the picture underneath of it. That would be a lot better though. That would be a lot better. Let's just try something. Hold on. Let's change this. Make it my university logo out of it. Just to see how it will look with that background. Ooh, that's big. Smaller. What was that again? Hold on. Let me quickly see. How did I do that again? Hold on. Hold on. I did that somehow. Was it here? Yeah, it was here. Dup. Not here. Okay. Okay. Or maybe did I change it here? I might have changed it in here. Hold on. See? Yeah, that's how we did it. One time there, and the other time, where are you? Here. See? We did it like, oh, come back. So that's how we're going to do it now again. Style, we gave it a margin. Now let's give it a size. Width, 250 pixels. Height, 250 pixels. Save it, and let's see what it does. Let's see if it does something. Et voila! C'est la bon. I want you all to clap for me. Clap for me. And that's how cringe I am. Let's go back. Oh, by the way, if anyone ever comes to this channel fucking around looking for a ban, this is how I'm going to ban them. You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. At that moment, I'll press the ban button and goodbye, my lover, goodbye, my friend. I'm already looking forward to using that button. EasyJet, yeah. You don't want me to use that on you, what I just used.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
Okay, so we have this logo. But we're not going to use this, of course, for this one. We need to find something else. You know what? I'm going to use my own face. Here. Maybe that's even better because then we know that no one is going to be mad at me for using their trademarked logos, university. Here you go. Beautiful. In fact, let's just give it a radius. How did we do that again? Let's go up and let's see. Padding, border radius, 25 pixels. We're not going to do 25 pixels though, are we? Border radius. Let's try it. I don't care. Let's try it. Haha! Look at how beautiful that. Come on. That's just. My passport doesn't even have a beautiful picture like that. It's not allowed, unfortunately. All right. Good. I like this. Okay. Again, please don't look at how it looks when you're in smaller screen mode because I really don't know how to do that yet. But there's going to be a time where this is going to be perfect. So please just wait a little longer. But that's beautiful. Now, this is what I'm trying to achieve. This is really what I'm trying to achieve. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to YOLO it. I'm really going to YOLO it. I couldn't care freaking less. Let's just delete you. In fact, let's do this on a clever way. All right? Let's do this a clever way. We could potentially just delete all of these. You know what? Let's just YOLO. Delete these. Go down here. Delete these. I know it seems as though I deleted one div too much. But no, I didn't. Or less. But no, I didn't. That was good. Now what I want to see is we're just going to check step by step what. Hello? Okay. Just going to check step by step what we did, what effect it had. Okay, so what happened now is this became big. All right, but that's not a problem. We're going up to section 2. Section. All sections. Let me quickly. Yeah? Yes. Let's call all sections 60 viewport width. Now if everything is, yeah, it looks a bit better, but let's call it 50%, 50. So now this is half screen. This looks like shit though, but we're still not there. So what I'm going to do now is align self left. Let's just do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Okay. Now we're going to continue because if I'm correct, we can just delete all these item one right, item one left nonsense in a minute, and then we'll have a much cleaner code. So that was. We don't need to do anything with this. We had section 2 just now. Let's do section 3. Now we have div grid right. Hold on, let me just check if there's a div in here. Yeah, there is. So we're just going to delete these and then go down. We're going to delete 2 more divs from here, which is perfect. It just, okay. And now when we save this, it's going to look like shit, but okay, we accept this. We are going to change it slowly but surely. Okay, now this was section 2. This is section. Hey, that's not that bad. Although our little thingy here, thingy-mabob. Let's just save this. Let's save this again. Just okay. Our little thingy-mabob is still in the corner, but that's okay. We can save that. We can save that in a minute. Yeah, you're not section 2, by the way. You're section 3. Let's just call you as you are. Okay, so yeah, because we don't have a picture now, but we can add one. We can add this image. Let's just copy this code like this because that's like we're even going to bother about that. Let's add this here. Now let's see what it does. Okay. Good. Hey, I'm slowly starting to become happy. I don't need to do a lot about this. But why? Just to be sure. Why? Section 2, background position, background margin left. Oh, because we put margins as well. Hey, that's clever though of me. I'm happy about that. I'm pretty happy about that. In this case, what we can do now is we can just, goodbye you, although we have a background, but I don't care. We can save it later. Grid, and I think grid left. Did we have that as well here somewhere? Let me quickly check for safety's sake. Wait, we'll be right up. Oh, you go back. Do we have anything with grid in here anymore? Let's look for it. Grid. Yeah, but other than that, it shouldn't. Let's just say goodbye to grid right as well. Let's go up, go up, go. No, too much, too much. Slow down. Slow down, cowboy. That's your cousin. Hey, Munchie. You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Now we need to change this picture. Let's go ahead. That's section 3. Let's okay, it's starting to look a little bit more normal again. Let's make 100 out of this. Oh, stop. Stop! Okay. I'm happy with this. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Are you happy with this? I'm happy with this. Let's see. Oh, frick. We lost a few frames somewhere along the line. About 3.2% of the whole stream. This is not a good thing to happen, by the way. All right, whatever. Let's fill our glass. Just like a cola brand commercial. The only difference is we're making this. They're not. All right, so we did diff section 2, we did diff section 3. Let's just continue. We have the blocks there ready, the images are ready. We just need to copy paste some text into it and just look how it looks. Just check how it looks. So my suggestion would be let's just go ahead and copy our texts from inside here into the other sections, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy the whole bitch here and just copy it right into here and then right into here and right here. Just look at how beautiful that is. Why do I have a feeling that I made a mistake when doing that? I didn't. Never mind. Now move the sections up. Okay. Make it look beautiful again. Now, if everything went right, we have a lot of the same text and a lot of the same blocks, but it's starting to look like Christmas. I like this. This is going well for me right now. And let's just be honest, even in the small version, except for the pictures, of course, it doesn't look that extremely bad. I just need to change these pictures because otherwise people are going to think, what's that kind of narcissistic idiot? Which we don't want. Let's just put in a disclaimer here at the top. Let's do that. All right. This is the header section. Let's take this. Let's go below here. Let's change this into a P. And this one also into a P. Let's call this disclaimer. You will be seeing a lot of pictures from me. A lot of my pictures. A lot of my pictures. This is not because I am a megalomaniac, narcissistic idiot. Let's add another line right below it, just to continue the disclaimer. This page is still under construction. Love. Oh, you don't like that. Can we add emojis? I don't think so, right? But whatever. Let's just change this as well. Color red. No, not you. Darn you. Color red. Copy. Copy. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it does what it does. Let's choose a softer red because that's a whole lot of red. Or we can maybe make it a bit softer in this sense. Say goodbye. Hello? Why aren't you picking up? Oh, because of you. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. I love this. This is beautiful. Okay. 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 I like this. It's going well. But my problem here is, hold on, let's go to this header section. Section 1. We need to overwrite all styles that are here. So let's do that. Display center with 80 viewport, height 100 viewport, and yeah, let's call it border. Let's do border radius as well. Why not? And I think that if we do it like this, it should overwrite everything and just do it like that. Now let's add a margin. Margin left. Let's make 100 pixels because I don't want it to sit that close to the page, to the side of the page. Although that's a bit too much, isn't it? Let's just go back and do as we did with the others. That's 20 pixels. Although I do want it to be center as well. Line solve center. Let's just take away our margin. Okay, hold on. What did we do again? Justify content center. I don't know. I don't know how to code. But we needed to overwrite this one as well. So display I don't want you to display as a flex. You know what? Let's just go ahead. Margin. Left. And let's give you 250 pixels because I don't have the coding knowledge just yet to know how to put you in the middle. I think that's one of the things that I needed to learn first, but you know, I'm busy working my day job. I really haven't had time besides this stuff and you know the things that I'm doing extra on the side, trying to learn this stuff. Margin top. Let's give you 50 pixels. Close it. A little bit more. Let's just see what it does if I do this. It doesn't do shit. It doesn't do anything at all. So what we could do is there's not one way to go to Rome, you know? All right. I'm going to keep this stream a little bit shorter than usual. I'm going to knock it off here. There's a few reasons for this. Well, to do the affiliate thing, we needed a stream of an hour. We reached that. Besides that, oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Nothing. Besides that, to be honest, my barber's going to be here any minute. Let's just save our code quickly. I needed a haircut. As you can see, it's like shit here. If it grows a little bit more, I can, you know, put braids in it. So my barber's gonna come over and cut my hair. And what's this? No, I don't want to switch. Close the events. So yeah, we did the thing for the affiliate. I think this stream of an hour and 6 minutes is long enough for it to be accepted by Twitch as a stream. So that would mean we'll have stream 7, and as of whenever, I don't know, whenever they accept this, and you know, we'll be having many more options with the stream. So from that day forward, you can start donating bits. You can start subscribing to the channel. I'm not here for the subscriptions, by the way. Yeah, it takes a day or two. I know. I'm not here for the subscriptions or the bits or anything. Yes, of course, every little thing will always help. It will help to get equipment or whatnot. But to be honest, I think if I grow as a streamer, there will be many other doors that will open up. I don't know if any of you know, but what I did was well, again, not I. ChatGPT wrote a letter for me, which we sent to MSI. Let's just open up the letter and I'll read it to you guys. Asking if they wanted to be sponsors of the stream. Sent items. We didn't find anything to show here. Is it here maybe? Oh, there it is. So yeah, what ChatGPT wrote is, Dear representative of MSI, I'm writing to introduce myself and my stream TeachMeJS, which is dedicated to teaching people how to code line by line. As a newly starting streamer and a newly starting coder myself, I'm committed to learning and teaching others how to code in an accessible and interactive way. You can find my stream at link. In just 4 episodes, I have been able to increase my unique viewer count by 1020 per episode, and I now have approximately 100 unique viewers per episode. That's true, by the way. Like, we get emails from Twitch every end of the stream, about half an hour after it. Today is one of the smaller streams, but yeah, it's a Friday night. Everyone's going out having drinks. It's not my time of the day, let's put it like that. It's not my day of the week and not my time of the day, so I'm okay with the viewers I have right now. Thank you for joining me today, by the way. Khan, Mehmet, Manji, probably Lydia somewhere in there as well. But yeah, but other than that, the Sunday streams that we're having, we're really getting every day a plus 10, plus 20 count of unique viewers. And we were 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's true. And we do have approximately 100 unique viewers per episode. Then let's continue. I also have approximately plus 5 followers per episode. Again, today is one of those days where it's a bit less, but I'm okay with that. And I have 20 unique chatters who engage with me and my content, which is steadily increasing. Again, one of those things that it really happens every Sunday. I really like my Sunday streams. A lot of people come around. We've met some very cool people that are helping us out. Shout out to all of them. So yeah. I am also building a community on Discord and other platforms of coding zeros and coding heroes who can share questions and experience to grow together. I believe that my stream aligns with the values and mission of MSI, as I'm helping to promote education and accessibility in the tech industry. I would be honored if you would consider supporting my stream through tech sponsorship, as I'm already the proud owner of an MSI GP66 Leopard 10 UE, which is a beautiful laptop, by the way. Even though now reaching limitations due to multitasking and streaming at the same time, I know the power MSI can bring to the table. While I am also always looking for ways to improve the quality of my content, I'm open to any suggestions or support that your company might be able to offer. I'm happy to feature your logo on my stream and to promote your products or services in my content. I would be excited to collaborate with your company and to help you reach a new and engaged audience of aspiring developers. And then some details how they can contact me. Sincerely, Hakan Meyer, TeachMeJS. I think ChatGPT made a very good letter to MSI. So you never know. Maybe one day they'll reach out to us and support us with our stream. That would be beautiful. So, like what I've been trying to say is, I'm not here for the money, the subscriptions, or the bits and whatnot. Yes, every little bit, it's beautiful. It helps me to grow. It helps us to grow as a team. So yeah, I'd love if you guys would support it. Now, hold on. Let me just quickly go here. Yes. All right. So yeah. Let's pause you because I think we'll be having troubles any minute now if we keep that alive. So yeah. So once affiliate kicks in, we have some more options, and I'm very happy about that. Now, I would like to thank you all for joining me today, for watching me. Number 4, whoever you are, thank you for joining now, but you're a little bit late. We are going to raid one of my newly made friends on Twitch. Please stick around. Let me finish this sentence and stick around and follow the guy. Please understand that your follow means a lot for us. You can, you can switch off the notifications. Okay, that's your choice. Following or not is also your choice, but every follow you do, it helps us. It helps us. It makes us happy as well, because in the end something happened in our stream. We did something and people started following us. This helps us. It makes us happy. So please follow everyone I'm rating, and I hope the same happens as well when people are rating me, that their viewers are following me, and it does happen, by the way. So please do say hi from me. We're going to DM Crow. Uh, uh, there's the best way of putting this. I respect everyone, whatever their choices in life are, and DM Crow is one of those people. A beautiful soul, a really beautiful soul. You will see in a minute. Please, one thing I hate is disrespectful people. You will see what I'm trying to say. Be respectful of people's choices. If not, this is not your stream to be. Trust me, because then you're not part of my team, my community. So let's go to DM Crow. Say hi from me. Thank you for joining me today again. And we'll see each other Sunday during a very, very nice stream, I hope. Take care, have fun, and see you next time. Bye bye.